In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a steering wheel in Forza Horizon 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Forza Horizon 5 offers excellent support for steering wheels, enhancing the immersive driving experience, and you will be able to use any model that you have available. Most of them will work natively, and you will be able to customize individual settings inside of the game itself. So all that you have to do is first connect your steering wheel. So plug in the USB cable. Regardless of your platform, you should have USB ports available, and all that you have to do is plug the steering wheel into any of these available USB ports. If you have pedals attributed to your steering wheel as well, for example on the Thrustmaster T80, make sure that they are properly attached to the wheelbase and detected and set up as well. So once you have the steering wheel properly connected to any of the available USB ports on the specific console, PC, or so on that you want to use the steering wheel on, you will be able to open Forza Horizon 5, and like I mentioned, the game supports steering wheels natively. So if you go over to the options and you choose the controls category, you will be able to switch between game, pad, keyboard, and finally steering wheel. So choose steering wheel and then you will be able to customize everything. Like I mentioned, you will be able to customize individual aspects about the steering wheel, so you can adjust the sensitivity, dead zones, and also the button mapping to match your preferred playstyle. You will be able to customize all of these by choosing the appropriate control settings, and you will be able to change them inside of the game or on the menu. You will be able to drive around to get a feel for the wheel and the pedals, and if needed, you can make adjustments on the get-go. If your steering wheel supports force speed feedback, enable it in the game settings for a more immersive experience, and you might also be able to calibrate the pedals for precise throttle and brake control. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the steering wheel in Forza Horizon 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.